Here is the Subaru Crosstrek. To access license plate lights, open up the hatch. Those are lights over there. You need a flathead screwdriver. Let's start with the right side light. Right side light, try pushing it to the right using the screwdriver and outwards. Right and out. Get the light out. Now do some left, right. Just follow my hand motions and then the light will come right out of the body. Just the way I'm showing. Now grab the bulb holder and twist it left and out it comes. To get the bulb out, just grab it and pull it out straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it'll come right out. The bulb size is 194. Again, 194. Check the link in the description to buy the new bulb from Amazon. Now get the new bulb, push it back in the bulb holder. Let's put it back in the light. You may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. Just like this. Good. At this point, just twist it right to lock it in place. And now let's put the light back in the body. Now you see this black clip, that side goes in first. So just get that side in first and then put one finger on it to apply some pressure and then slide the left side in. Right, put one finger and then slide this one in and it'll just drop right in and lock it in place, and it's now moving, and that's good. Same process for the left side one, except it's the opposite direction. You use a screwdriver and then push it left, push it towards the outside of the car, and it'll come right out. It's the exact same process, just opposite direction. So in this case, you put one finger on the left side because that's where the clip is. Put one finger on there and then try to slide it from the right side towards the left, just the way I'm showing, and the light will drop in. And that's about it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They're a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.